In an industry where electric cars are developing quickly, Tesla sticks out like a blazing star. Still, what is the magic ingredient that allows Tesla's breakthroughs to shine so brightly even now? Through the observations of analysts like Worm capitalist Cameron Tierney, a researcher, and his partner Eric Markowitz, who have found the hidden gems that give Tesla the competitive edge, we're taking you on a journey. We're also going deep into the intriguing world of Tesla and the revolutionary technology that has the potential to completely transform the auto industry. Get ready for an exciting ride as we explore Tony Seba's idea of disruptive technology. This is a topic that has analysts buzzing and has the potential to blow your mind. Deeper, let's change gears and concentrate on the automotive sector as we get ready for yet another set of earnings, especially the much-awaited Rivian report. Please help us out by hitting the like button, subscribing to our channel, and activating the notification bell if you think this type of content is interesting. In this manner, you'll never miss any updates about anything Tesla-related. The second half of Next General, Alex Coffey, will be joining us in the analysis driver's seat. People, buckle up, because during the past 2 months, this report has seen a supercharged turnaround. It's not just any pit stop. The market was not entirely delighted with Rivian's performance after the most recent earnings statement, but boy, did Rivian pull off a fast and furious act. We're left wondering now what the hurdle is for this firm to clear. Did the recent spike come from deliberate talent, or did the market's current risk-on attitude suddenly press on the gas pedal? Rivian is comparable to the group rebel, the person who the shorts can't help but watch closely because of their short attention span, or that clinging passenger in your car who is standing at 12.8%. But as our trusty graphic shows, the tech giant has dropped about 40% in the last year, continuing to give the appearance that it has been on a roller coaster. Let's now get into the Tesla saga and follow it in real time. Looking into their crystal balls, analysts who function something like stock market fate tellers see something unusual. Consider Cameron Tierney as an example. For instance, a researcher at Worm Capital and his co-worker Eric Markowitz contend that Tesla's competitive advantage in the electric vehicle market stems from their proprietary technology. The power of vertical supply chain integration, a dash of cutting-edge software, and a sprinkle of artificial intelligence wizardry, but hold on to your horses, or in this case, your electric batteries. The stock market is an unbelievable roller coaster. We are going to reveal the most recent evidence that Tesla is the unicorn of the electric vehicle world, aside from the fact that seasoned investors like Tony Seba, who has been in the business for a while, might remind us that stocks are like teenagers. You can't predict them, but you can hope they'll grow upright. No, that isn't even hyperbole. We sincerely believe that electric vehicles EVs will be the sleepover kids that won't go to bed, even if the entire auto industry decides to take a nap. Tesla is outpacing its rivals as if they were backed up in traffic. Electric cars are poised for a major breakthrough. They will grow more affordable and stylish than the ancient, gas-guzzling dinosaurs. Elon Musk may have revised downward his sales forecast for this year, attributing a more realistic view to maintenance and upgrades. But have in mind that Elon loves to play it coy and has a way of going above and above, so don't be surprised if he absolutely kills it and meets those delivery targets. Tesla is reaching full mad scientist mode. It's not simply tinkering with inventions. Not only are they changing the regulations, but they're building an entirely new stadium for it. Even though they are relatively new to the auto business, they already have a place at the cool table. Although Elon Musk's forecasts for 2013 auto sales seem a little out of the past, they show that Tesla has been pushing hard from the beginning. Tony Seba, along with other Tesla aficionados like Cathie Wood, is predicting that EVs will be more inexpensive than regular cars and so stylish that even James Bond will sell his Aston Martin. The shocking thing is that while many businesses are keen to get on the electric vehicle EV bandwagon, many of them find it difficult to balance, much like a child learning to ride a bike without training wheels. As a matter of fact, a number of well-known automakers including Volkswagen, Ford, GM, Mazda, Toyota, and even Jaguar are starting to admit that they sometimes feel like the child who misplaced their pedals and are now begging for preferential treatment in the form of green taxes. They appear to be trying to purchase admission to the EV club. What then is their course of action? It's like a kid on the playground who can't keep up with the other kids instead of blaming grown-ups, or in this case, government policies. They're asking for special treatment in the shape of green taxes. They seem to be sending out a flag that says, hey, We might not be as good at this as some others, but can you cut us some slack? Stated differently, they are attempting to extort themselves into the EV club with the expectation of gaining some leeway to facilitate the transfer. It is unclear if these demands for special treatment will be approved, but in the world of EVs, it is said that only the strongest will make it through the difficult ascent. Now, we're not arguing that these businesses can't adopt the EV revolution instead. We'll examine the factors that these titans of the industry are. Examine the struggles endured by a few prominent automakers to learn why the road to electrification isn't as simple as one may think. Let's take a closer look. Furthermore, Volkswagen, a significant participant in the automotive sector, has encountered some instability, particularly in China, where their electric cars aren't exactly selling out of showrooms. It appears as though they have paused to reconsider their plan. Once aspiring rivals in the electric vehicle market, Mazda and Jaguar have waved the white flag in terms of mass-market EVs production. These are stark facts that underscore the challenges these auto giants are encountering while navigating the EV terrain, not just speed bumps. Let's now turn the talk to Tesla, a business that looks to be handling this environment with amazing skill while other automakers could look like they're trapped in rush-hour traffic. As an industry veteran, GM is in a tough spot and humbly asks for some grace because they anticipate a sharp increase in sales between 2027 and 2030. Not to be forgotten is Ford, a well-known brand in American auto history. By 2030, Tesla will have safely achieved its audacious goal of producing millions of electrified vehicles a year. This audacious plan was recently disclosed by Elon Musk, the visionary head of Tesla, but here's where the surprise lies. Tesla is not content to merely sell cars. They aim to revolutionize the global automotive sector. Although it may seem like a very ambitious target, the market hopes to replace at least 1% of the 2 billion cars and trucks that cross the world each year. It's not as tough to do as one might imagine, given Tesla's remarkable technological prowess and expanding network of gigafactories. This is the bit that sends shivers down the spines of investors and enthusiasts alike. In the event that Tesla is able to double car production, there's a good likelihood that the company's stock price will soar. Elon Musk, it imagines a time when driverless cars can travel the streets for less money than a bus ticket. A change in urban mobility that could radically change how we go from one place to another, and there's more over the 5-foot 8-inch Tesla bot Optimus is a mechanical machine designed to carry out time-consuming, everyday tasks that often take up human energy. Marvel is a unique kind of inventiveness. In conclusion, we've discussed the challenges that certain large automakers are facing in the electric vehicle market, while Tesla is pushing forward with bold plans to completely transform the industry, including goals like producing 20 million electric cars a year by 2030 and emphasizing energy solutions. Elon Musk has intimated that it might possibly be worth more than Tesla's revolutionary self-driving technology and its already successful auto industry. Please share your thoughts in the space provided below. Lastly, given how bright the future of Tesla appears to be, what thoughts do you have? In your opinion, will electric cars actually become more widely available and reasonably priced than conventional cars in the future? Before we part ways, would you kindly hit the like button if you find this kind of information interesting? Turning on the alert and signing up for Tesla Insights. We appreciate you viewing, and we hope to see you in some of our next movies.